Okay, this is our Marietta location. It's going to be building 200. You're gonna come up to the door on the right. You're gonna come up to the code lock. Just hit it to activate the code. All right, and then you're gonna input that code. After you input the code, hit this button at the bottom. That will activate the lock. You can now come in. You're gonna walk up the stairs. You're gonna make a left, and it's the door straight ahead. You'll see the door, and it says CPR Lifeline. You're then going to input the same code. Just touch it to activate, and then you're going to input the code. After you're done inputting the code, you're going to go ahead and hit pound. That will unlock the door. Come on in. You're going to then go ahead and just input your information into the computer for your sign-on and password. You can do the skills check. After you're done with the skills check, feel free, if you can, wipe off the mannequins, put everything back to normal, and your card will be to you in the same day. Thank you very much and have a great day.